Unable to install update and error occurred installing iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you are not being able to install the new iOS 17 on your device, then watch this video until the end. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also try to switch between networks if your connection is not stable. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Make sure your device has enough storage space, as if your device has less storage space, then the update will not proceed further. Now go ahead and reset network settings. In order to reset network settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Also, tap on General and then on Date and Time and make sure it is set to Set Automatically. Go back and tap on VPN and Device Management now. Make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. If you are connected to any VPN, then go ahead and disconnect it. Now, if you go back and tap on General and then on Software Update, then you can see the update is showing. So this is how you can fix an error occurred while installing iOS 17 problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.